We went to like this place near me in Oakley. We should go. It's a Greek restaurant called Hellenic Depot, and you can get gyros there. That it was $12, and it was really good. I was like, this is really cheap and super friggin' tasty. But you can also get massive
Iya.
Semoga nggak ada yang kenal aku di Makassar ya.
you can get massive meat platters.
Tidak ada yang kenal kamu di Makassar.
Rice and then salad.
Namamu itu nama orang orang
It's like proper
Medan.
I don't know how do you call it? Not like
Manado.
Apa nama belakangnya salsa? Sumule. Sanggala itu om di kau Sumule.
Sumule.
Tapi
Iya.
dia bilang dia daerah mana om? Aku
Makale ya.
Makale.
Makanya. Karena ada juniorku yang Sumule di Sanggala.
Oh, Sanggala Sumule ya.
Iya.
Apa namanya? Salsa
Salsabila Zahra.
Salsabila Zahra Sumule.
Smio.
yeah.
Smile.
Smile.
Oh, masih seluruh siapa meninggal? Oh, tidak ada meninggal di sini.
Tutup-tutup lagi orang meninggal.
Kita lagi di taman-taman nih, tidak ada meninggal.
Creepy. Tanita and Dad. They like turn their nose up.
Kita cuma yang di sini banyak bening-bening. Banyak bening-bening.
Banyak bening-bening.
Funny story. So
Di sini banyak
when my
bening-bening.
mom, she was like, okay.
Banyak tadi bening-bening sudah pulang semua.
Yang orang Korea.
Sekarang sudah jam berapa kak?
6 sore.
Jam 6 sore ya? Jam 6 tapi masih terang.
Kayak jam 3.
My mother was obsessed with Julio Gangster's Paradise. So he was like, I'm gonna name the baby King.
Begini di Bengkulu.
That was like his name. But I took it really seriously.
Orang kawin ada di sini, bukan orang mati.
My primary school.
Ada orang nikah,
That's perfect. It's both teas.
sudah pulang.
My mum,
Sudah pulang
her name's
makan
Fatima,
makan.
but everyone's called her Tammy since she was a little girl. Like her name's Tammy will all be teas, Tanita, blah blah blah. So that's how it.
But also it's a mix between.
That's my name.
Oh yeah.
My mum's like Tammy and my dad's Neil. So Tanil.
Wow. Is Tanil a common name? Like,
Wow, bening-bening sekali, bening.
I think I don't think it's common, but there are people who have the name Tanil, like quite a few people, but it's spelt different, like
Mas, iya. Masih
T-A-M-I-E-L-L-E
selusuh di sini.
rather than T-A-N-E-A-L. I don't think I've seen anyone with spelling like mine. I've seen it T-A-N-E-A-L-E.
I've seen T-A-N.
Yeah.
Nah, kalau
Nah, kalau
Don't tell my mama.
But do you think if it's
Mama jangan marah.
my parents would be like, no way. What a lie.
Ya. Oh, situ mau pulang, tinggal kamu dulu. Kita itu langsung
Maybe as a nickname.
Is your sister well?
begitu di kalau orang di sini nih mungkin jarang sekali bertengkar karena setiap saat berciuman begitu deh.
jarang bertengkar
Iya.
kan sedikit-sedikit ciuman.
Sedikit ciuman. Kalau kita di kampung tidak pernah ciuman jadi mungkin bertengkar terus. Sedikit-sedikit cium lagi.
Iya boy, iya
Berarti
boy.
cintanya makin mendalam. Kalau lagi bertengkar cium lagi ya.
It is sending out some weird fabulous
Have you read each other ways number?
No.
My friend gave me the other day after the screening. Like I think you would want to about sexual liberation.
Was it because you were reading?
Nah, Maya nol. Apa kamu nonton Maya? Besok jemput Om Pit ya. Kita jalan-jalan.
Wait, what did you get given a novel? Like
Yeah, read each other ways number.
oh
Coba
yeah.
kita
I haven't read it, but I
sulit ke
know.
sana yang begini. Oh.
It's like a period piece, like a affair, love affair.
And when it was published in like the
kissing.
Report back. Will do. I'd actually love to know what it's like reading it now from that.
Oke, di sana jam berapa? Sudah jam 6.
Yeah.
Jam
Yeah, what
ini
it's
sudah jam
like.
berapa ini ya? Ini ya. Wah, ini sudah jam 6.
Back in those days, you cannot even show your knees.
Ini masih terang sekali mataharinya.
So I consider
Matahari, matahari bersinar.
Oh, really?
I think they were like short.
Wih, ramai sekali di sini. Ini sudah jam 6 tapi masih banyak sekali bening-bening berjemuran. Wow. Nah, tadi kita main volley di sini. Main volley.
No, yeah, he doesn't.
Hi guys.
hello.
What are you talking about?
Talking about Yannick Sinner.
Yeah,
Tennis. Books and
Yeah.
tennis.
mantap. Oke, bye. Oke, bye.
Ubur-ubur ikan.
Ubur-ubur ikan lele. Oke, bye.
Okay, bye. I thought he said okay. Yeah. Because that's like a common thing. Yeah. Like saying goodbye.
Nah, ini pokoknya bagus sekali daunnya. Wow. Lancar terus ya cerita, iya lancar terus cerita. Ya kayak si bayi itu emang tak enak tulen apa nasi pencerita tongan nih ya. Kalau kita biasa pegang HP terus, mereka kalau ketemu, seru sekali ceritanya, tidak pernah. Tapi saya kan cuma mendengarkan saja. Itu pun juga biasa cuek karena tidak mengerti apa yang mereka cerita. Jadi spot yang paling dicari di sini, antri berfoto di sini. Wow. Ada orang Arab juga. Orang dari datang berfoto. Mana Sokris? Sokris lagi pergi beli bir. Sekarang lagi panas, lagi tidak dingin. Kalau kemarin itu dingin sekali. Sekarang sudah ngantuk kah?
Menikmati
Oke,
matahari.
Stanley Cebet. Yes, brother. I'm watching from Kenya. Okay, Stanley from Kenya.
From
How are you?
Kenya.
Yeah, Kenya. Nice place. Yes, nice place in Australia,
Glad to find out.
in Melbourne.
Yeah. I'm doing it.
Yes, very clean place here. No mosquito. Wah, batik pare ya, buda batik pare teh Pak Dedi Patium. Buda ya di batik pare. Oh. Aku mana teh pasangan kun teh. Nah. Nah, pernah aku mana teh pasangan kun na. Iko sulanorin do linggo. Raka-raka abang mau cewek na tahun di luna. Oke, Juni tarinci mau pasir rompit ya. Kita nikmati pemandangan bening-bening selama kita masih di sini. Kalau pulang ke kampung itu napa palai tiro ya. Oh. So kayak gitu. Oke. Apa mali? Apa mali? Apa mali itu?
Apa dia li?
Apa mali? Oh, bir. Oh, iya, bir. Oh, this is. Oh. Terima kasih. Oh. Ya pun tadi sangat alkohol. Ini bir ini. Dinginnya.
You don't want one pen?
Masih live on this?
Iya.
I think we should play one more out.
Bilang ini Om Pit ini pergi saya jalan-jalan kerjanya nang. Oke.
But that's super interesting. You don't
Banyak batik pare ya.
name or look
Banyak bening-bening. Banyak bilang cantik di sini.
I will
Because
play
I
one
think we
more.
had the same thought. We're like, why document this? But it's already been, and also another thing I realized: the people that actually agree when you document like migrant the journey or whatever, and like I don't know their resistance. Usually put a lot of information out there, but then these are the only ones that read it, and then they know so much about the way that yeah. And it's just like
Let's go on Pete.
Oke, let's go.
We're playing.
Kasih Rara om. Jalan sini.
Kasih Rara kita.
Tapi pakai kamera depan kita.
Iya, kamera depan.
Lihat dulu tawan.
Iya. Kasih tahu tuh dahulu host. Bilang hostnya ini host.
Now you have to.
Bilang spill dulu host.
Yeah.
Emang yang nonton banyak?
Banyak.
Mana liatnya?
Halo guys.
Halo guys.
Ini baru berapa kayak ini?
Banyak itu.
Oh. Berapa?
Jadi kita mau
Batalkan.
kita mau main sama Om Victor. Jadi Rara yang bakal jadi host.
Kita mau main volley. Mana balik kameranya? Siapa yang join di situ? Bisa kau lihat siapa yang join? Kayaknya nggak bisa deh. Bisa kali. Tadi ini. Mana tadi yang orang-orang? Salah. Nggak bisa. Tadi ada di sini. Ini tapi nggak bisa dilihat siapa. Alrighty. Iya. Halo. Oke. Kita akan Man, baliknya lagi kameranya. Di tadi 2 kali. Nggak bisa. Enggak. Di sini tadi. Oh ini. Kok aku jadi kayak. Oh. Rokok malah lagi ora. Habis. Habis. I think tadi itu aku terakhir. Yeah. That's why. ngomong-ngomong nggak? Ngomong-ngomong nggak?
Terserah, ngomong juga mau.
Oh, ini lagi main frisbee.
Woi, I'm sorry.
Kok nggak ada yang komen lagi sih?
Halo Mbak.
Apa?
Halo Mbak, hai Mbak. Oke Mbak. Ini kita pakai buat
Apa?
mana kamera depan?
Pencet yang merah di atas.
Oke Mbak.
Apa itu?
Ada yang Om Victor signature.
Itu signage-nya Om Victor, guys.
Oke Mbak.
Aduh.
Halo. Kita main volley. Sama bening-bening.
Michael.
I've just started. It'll be my second.
Michael ini.
The Friday that I was
Come on, Livy.
after the first year.
We need you.
Oke, aku udah
When this is shipped because you're kind of like,
Dan-
oh, okay, I don't have
gantian.
3 days.
Lah, kok nggak main? Kasih si Pami berdiri di situ kayak deh di depannya botol.
When do you guys go to Sydney?
Nggak kelihatan deh.
kelihatan Kak.
Nggak usah. Kelihatan jauh, kan pintar kan?
Kelihatan Ji. Kelihatan Ji.
Back on the 10th, but then I leave on the 14th again.
Oh, yeah, we talked.
Maybe the night of the 20th. The last night in town.
You guys are back with us?
Exactly. I really value it. Because I used to just have like Fridays.
And maybe you can drive. Are you driving?
Like my day.
Yeah.
Oh, then just go from the
I would
park.
always have to do work.
Tapi aku nggak main.
So do that and
That's pretty full on.
and then Saturday,
Oh, yeah.
Sunday was like
Because it's on work.
errands or
It would just be me and Dad driving it up.
Oh, yeah, bring
so now
Sam.
it's all back on.
I actually would love to see. Is he doing the Camino again soon?
I think he's going to go walk in Japan. So let's go because Lizzie's only got 15 minutes.
Yeah. That's like spot on.
Let's
I
go.
can get them on next
Alrighty.
week.
Let's go. Redemption round, team.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Oh. Beautiful.
Oh, you say
1-0. One all. Tanner's. Yours, Victor. Oh. Oh, 2-1. 2-1.
Where is Oh,
Mine. On two.
It's a much faster game than last time. Everyone was so
Okay. Very good. We got this.
Is it 3-2?
Nice.
Yours. Nice.
Yes! Oh, sorry!
Forward. Go on, please.
Mine.
Leave it.
Sorry. Is that
We should like go to
point? Is that a point for us?
and play with them.
Five.
Down his foot. Yeah. She's playing the court, I think. A bit wider. A bit longer. Pardon? Where is the best court? We can find it.
I would do some big volleyball.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh, you go soon. Let's try to do it before you go.
Yeah.
Reflexes.
6-2.
Mine. Oh, yeah.
sorry. I got it. No.
Yeah. 7.
Good girly team.
Alright, redemption
Yeah, we're
round
back.
is
We're back. We're coming
going
back.
well. Yours?
Oh.
Oh. 7. 7 3. Sorry, I'm trying to put my. Oh yeah, right. No.
Can we move?
No.
Okay.
Money. Oh, hey.
Oh, the second one.
7 3. Mine. Live. Alright.
Oh, sorry. Mine.
Mine. Oh no.
Oh no.
7 what?
7 4.
Yours is. Seven 5.
Definitely getting some bruises. Yeah. I love it.
Yeah.
Kind of love it.
Yeah, I had little bruised, like little slap marks from last time.
7 5. Mine. Live.
Fuck.
Go, Maria.
6. 7 6.
Money.
That.
Keep it up. Yeah, girl.
Give her a second turn.
7 all.
Keep doing what you're doing. Okay.
7 all?
All right, whatever. Okay.
Did we lose a few?
8 7. 8 7.
I'm sorry. It's so hard to like get it going.
Good turn. Good.
I'm gonna try to do Japanese cover.
Yeah. So,
10 7.
I'll back down like they do in the group.
Second 7.
One more. You just gotta hit it with like the. Yeah.
third service? Yeah.
One more time.
Go. Oh.
Yes. Oh, look.
One more.
One more?
One more.
One more, thank you.
That was good. It hurts, doesn't it?
Like, are you hitting this spot here? Or are you smacking your wrist? Like you try and stay away from the bones. It obviously hurts if you hit the bones. Like that strong bit of your palm.
Right on the kind of.
Yeah.
Like here. On the palm.
And don't throw it, just no.
Okay, don't throw
Just
it.
hold it and just whack
That's
it
really
in there. Because I think that. Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Middle. Rest.
Alright, lift
Rotating.
serve. 11
Thanks, guys.
11-7.
11
Oh, yes!
Oh, nice one, bit. Yours, Andro.
Yeah.
Good work, yeah. we won that one?
Yeah.
11-8. Are we on 11? No. Yeah? Yours, Rob?
Nada, sambala.
No.
9-11?
11-9. 9-11. September 11th.
Oh, I think it had cracks now.
Kak, nonoknya. Nonoknya. Nah, itu.
Right. Number up. Nice. No. 9-12.
Okay, we can do this.
9-12.
On the comeback.
Yeah.
On the comeback team.
9-12. Beautiful. Ace. 9-13.
Oh,
Nice. On
sorry.
I know, we really do.
Is that 9-13 or 14?
Holy. Yeah.
Nice. 9. Jason coming up.
Oh,
Nine.
15?
Alright, which is the one?
Yeah, that's it.
Go team.
Oh.
Perfect. 9-16. But you know, if it's one game each, we have to play a third and final decider.
That's true.
Is that 9-16?
Yeah.
Where's Lizzie? We need a sub. We need a substitute.
Got it.
Tira.
Mau main lagi tu?
Substitution.
She has to go.
Sini Bicu.
One of you has to sub in.
We can do 3. We can do 3.
Nah, let's do 5. Both of them come. Both of you. Play with 5. Play 5 versus 4. That's good. Then everyone is into it. And you're losing. So you need help. 9-16.
We'll come back in a second, don't you?
Yeah, you just
Both of you.
wait. Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
How?
You've been cheating.
How have I been cheating? See you later, yeah?
Yeah.
Bye.
See you soon, Lizzie.
Have fun.
9-16.
It's like Donkey Kong.
Alright.
Mine.
It is.
That's our break. That girl before was like really stressed about the
Yeah.
You're
Charlie's
really
great.
still worried.
I'm sorry, I was like,
It was really strange.
What happened?
Emotional.
like none of us are very good.
Alright, ready?
9-17. Cool, 10-17.
Rules on pitch.
Ah! Even though it's out.
Bit of a handhold there, Hootie, but you know, we're just this is a speed. Good for a bit of fun.
Four.
Grab it.
Yours.
Oh, nice!
Right.
12-17.
It's sunshine.
Yes, you can't sit down.
13.
Yeah.
13.
Well, what score?
13-17.
Yes, on the comeback.
Mine.
Wait. No way.
This is such a handy setup.
14,
I
17.
want to go along.
Tomorrow, whenever. Didn't need it.
You touch that.
Yeah,
You touch that.
And
You touch it.
Apparently, you're not allowed to touch
Nah, it's a matter.
doesn't matter. I didn't even touch the ball.
it. Can we get a point for it? To make it more exciting?
got it.
Nice.
Well,
Nice, alright.
What's more important?
Is it massive?
15, 18.
Switchy. Switchy.
15. Oh no, Mania's got the serve back.
I know that
Yeah.
it's a
Dangerous.
You're on set.
Huh? ESPN. Mine.
Oh!
Alright.
Mine.
Yeah, oh, really?
It's alright.
Crispy.
Nine.
I was like, you're crispy,
19.
crispy.
Did you just serve, Victor? Yeah. Did you just serve already?
Yeah, I think it's your serve too.
19.
Ra, tarik lagi. Main-main sedikit.
Oh, you done
Good one.
it, Manny.
I thought that was going to go out. Good reading.
2015?
10 point. Match point.
Okay.
Wait.
This is match point?
Come on, Yuri.
Alright, one game left.
One game?
Yeah, one more to 21
Yeah.
to decide it.
Do we swap sides or that doesn't matter?
Do we have another break?
If you lose again, you're going to have to see that again. That abomination.
So who's serving?
Are we straight into it?
Yeah.
Okay,
Wait,
straight into it. Sweet.
And who's serving? Yeah, right.
Yeah, sure.
Where do we stand?
Good.
Okay.
Yours, Victor.
Oh.
Nice.
Nice.
To you, Andrew.
I need
We're getting so much better, even
Look at that.
over the course of a few games. We're getting so much better. One sec on pit. One sec on pit. Oh, he's gone.
The sun's in my eyes.
Yeah, yeah.
Replay that one.
Okay.
1-0. That's technically a double hit.
No, that's
And
that's alright, Yuri. That's alright, Yuri. It was so cool. We allow it.
They're so cool.
You can't hit with your head?
You're just not allowed to get it yourself twice.
Okay.
So what's that? 1 each. 1 all.
Oh, sorry.
Second try.
Second service.
Oh.
On your first ball.
Come on, Maya.
Oh! I can't have no more
Yeah.
power. Is that ours?
Yeah, 2-1.
I don't know. Okay.
Go on, girl.
I don't know how.
Mine.
I'm loving this backwards hit. That's your signature.
Yeah, I know, but still. We're just like pumping each other up.
We just support each other in this thing.
Yeah, Yuri.
Yeah, Rudy.
Okay. I was just making sure. 3-1.
Oh, yeah!
looking into the sun.
What's this
Yeah.
called?
Same 3, 2.
Alex.
No. 9. Oh. Hello, Ducky.
We can play. It's so cute.
3 all.
Oh, that dog just like fully wants to play. Oh no!
Oh, don't worry.
4, 3.
As me?
I'm trying a new shirt because I was doing it the wrong way. Now my wrist really hurts. I was trying to do it there, but I was hitting it here before. And I'm kind of fucked now. Oh, fuck. Sorry.
Like 4 all. 4 all.
You got this. And don't throw it up the tree.
I don't need to throw it.
No.
Yeah, just hold it in your hand and just hit straight from there. That's it.
Yeah, that's pretty
Close. Second service.
Buka tanganmu Bisu. Jangan di kepala. Ya.
4 all. 1 more.
Buka terus tapi dikasih tenda. Ya.
Ah.
Kurang keras. Satu kali, Bis.
Oh. 1 more.
Yeah, you can
Nah,
try.
you can do it like that.
Oh, that's good.
Right. Okay.
Oh, Hootie.
You got this.
Yeah. Ah. No, that's
Really? Yeah, that was it.
Yang gitu, Bis.
4.
You're not ready yet, Judy.
yeah, that
Replay.
really.
You're not ready yet.
That
You're
was,
not ready
we
yet.
weren't ready. It's done.
Yeah, replay.
Six, 4.
Oh, it's the same, like, beautiful.
That's the same, though.
Rudy.
7, 4.
7-4.
Hey. What's that? Yes, we do.
You do that, but hit like this.
With this?
Yeah, I reckon you'll get it.
4,
Right.
9 4.
Di luar kota tuh.
Your turn.
Sini, Yudi.
Yeah,
Oh,
Rudy, that's
Rudy.
enough.
Tempo.
Where are we on? 10, 4.
Tempo.
Can we restart?
Kalah kalau lawan di Indonesia lawan Australia. Wah, kalah itu lah. Kalah gitu.
Nice. Flying shot though. That was huge. 10-5.
Go back.
You're in the middle, Miss.
Belakang. Maju dikit.
That was good. It's just a mystery left. Mystery left. Target. Kembali ke formasi awal.
Yeah, no.
Oke, penonton di seluruh dunia. Woi, who's power bank this? Who's power bank?
Watch.
Oh. Siapa punya nih, Kak? Oh, sekira yang sana.
10-6. You ready on bid?
Yeah, all is ready.
Getting way better.
Okay.
Now you and Andre can't leave Australia because we need you in our volleyball team.
10-6. I don't know. Who thinks it's rude?
Oh, that was good.
That was really good.
I never heard.
Okay, next time Indonesia send to Australia. Yeah.
Yeah.
Time tomorrow maybe.
Indonesia versus Australia.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh yes! Oh nice!
Very
Mitchell.
good.
Out.
Ow!
Is that in?
I reckon that was out. I reckon that was out,
You're a
bro.
liar.
Referee,
Stick
we're
your
completely
liar.
unbiased and it looks really out. From where I was standing with the sun in my eye, definitely out.
That was out.
It's a lie.
That's visual.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
11.
you.
What was it? 11-7.
You.
Nice. We switched that. 11-8. I think it was already. 11-8.
Ah. No.
Good attempt.
Yeah.
What is the score, Judy? 11-9.
11, 9.
11-9.
11-9.
Wise. 9. Oh, no.
Very good.
That's money.
Oh,
Woo!
sorry.
Yes.
Left that
Good
one.
teamwork.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. What is that? 10-11.
Well, we're on
Fine.
the comeback.
Oh, something.
Sarah.
Nice on
Jago Yonkit.
10-12.
Not for long.
Okay. You work not
So
alone.
long.
I was good, right?
10-12. Victor, your serve.
Compete.
Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the
10-12.
champion from
Indonesia.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, so sorry.
We need to
13-10.
call more.
Yeah.
Okay.
13-10. Very nice.
Very nice.
Come on, banyak. Nice. Nice. 13-11.
Nice one.
Oh no. Miss Money
Here she
Penny.
comes. With the power serve. Watch out.
Yours.
Oh yeah.
One.
Ankle.
Wait, what's the score?
12-13.
Are we one behind?
You're one behind.
We're just one behind Maria.
So we need to break her now.
There ain't no way you can break her. Look at her. She's a server of steel. What else do you run?
Alright. 12-13. Nine. Andro.
Dive for it.
Hey.
That's elite athleticism.
So 14-12? 14-13?
14-12, I reckon.
No, 14-13.
14-13.
No, I don't know. I just made that up.
Mine. Oh, the sun's getting really
The sun's
hot.
real hectic.
Yeah, 15-13. 6 to 7. See? 15, 13. Oh! 15, 14. Go, Bishop! 15, 14. Right. 52. 15 all.
15 all. Oh, it's a tight game.
All. Mine, 52. Yes.
So we can slide. On the ground. We need to invest in knee pads. Got money? Ow!
Whoops. Sorry, guys.
I would try. Having correction.
17, 15.
You got it.
That's in. 18, 15.
Rudy, you're not even that good.
Oh!
You're not ready yet, Judy.
19, 15.
Replay, Maria wasn't back yet.
Okay, replay.
Yeah.
Run, Maria, run.
I'm working on
18, 15.
That's still can't.
Does that count? Because it was
That
like
was a
tricky?
replay.
No, that was a replay.
That hit my leg.
That's your
And it went
fault.
over and you guys ignored.
That's your fault. 19, 15.
Come on, yeah.
Sorry.
I can't see anything. It's too bright.
19, 16.
Shining so brightly.
Yeah, I was like, where's the ball?
What can you say? I don't know how they take practice in cricket. Honestly. Yes!
Beautiful on bid.
Nice.
Yours. Nice!
That was
2016?
2016.
I think so, yeah.
Are we on 20?
No,
Oh.
second.
Very close.
Does this mean this is match point?
Match point. Nice, Bishop. Good
You're
try.
getting. I reckon you're gonna
Next one.
be
Go,
a
one
hectic
more.
service very soon.
Oh. Okay.
20.
20.
17.
Okay. Goes Bishop. Nice.
Okay.
Goes.
Oh!
Good score, Judy.
What?
Did you just win match point?
That's 4.
Oh, who cares? No, we didn't care about that. We've never cared about it.
Replay.
That was like the point of the day. And the match point.
Replay?
And what? We've never played that
Nggak
it's
boleh
4 hits
lebih dari
only.
3. Harus 2 kali.
Tiga kali saya
Kali salah
As
lompat
long as you don't hit it twice in a row. You did hand and then head. That's not allowed.
Brad, this is the decider point.
Ya, the new rules.
Oh yeah, this is the decider point.
As many times as you want, just not the same person twice.
So what, 2018?
We won. It's alright, but we'll just play again.
No, wait, this is the deciding point.
You hit it 4 times.
Let's go.
Leave it.
Oh!
We win.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
Good game.
Oh,
Good game.
okay, good game, ladies and gentlemen. This is the final game.
Yay.
Australia versus Indonesia. Okay, thank you. Yeah, okay, Mike. Ya, mantap. Ya. Ya, sudah berlangsung selama 5 jam pertandingan. Namun dimenangkan oleh tim dari Indonesia. Oke, Indonesia menang.
Indonesia sama Belanda.
Iya. Oke, terima kasih. Semoga tayangan ini memberikan tontonan yang menarik. Apalagi di pemainnya adalah pemainnya bining-bining. Oke, beda 3 jam nih. Oke. Oke, Mbak Gia, oke, semangat. Tumben olahraga. Iya, olahraga di sini. Oke. Ya, terima kasih ya. Kita ngebir dulu. Oke, kita ngebir dulu, guys.
Come sit in here.
Ya. We are ngebir.
You want a beer again? Or you already?
Ya, already. Already, ya.
Whoops.
That's how do.
What a comeback.
Great work.
What a
Great
comeback.
work.
Jago, compete.
Notice my hat.
I noticed your fucking cut.
I keep
What
thinking
happened?
it's a spider. And I'm like, ah!
What happened?
I just got them all cut up, but I need to get the
Oke.
Everything alright? Wasn't like.
It was okay.
yeah. It got
Oke, terima kasih. Nanti lagi kita lanjut kalau ada lagi pertandingan yang menarik. Mungkin sebentar malam akan ada pertandingan menarik nanti.
Pertandingan dadu.
Dadu.
Main dadu lagi.
Main dadu lagi. Oke. Ya, thank you for
We played
watching.
dice last night.
Ya.
Oh yeah.
Big dice.